Welcome back to What If Labs. Today, we're diving into a mind-blowing question. What if AI completely replaces the human brain? What happens if we stop thinking, creating, and brainstorming for ourselves and let AI do it all? Is this the future we're heading toward? Or are we risking something big? Let's uncover the shocking truth about AI in this journey. AI is everywhere. From writing emails to generating art, tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and others are making life easier. In 2023, ChatGPT had over 1.5 billion visits per month. That's billions of questions answered by AI. But what happens if we rely on AI all the time instead of using our own brains? Let's explore the good, the bad, and the shocking possibilities with some real-life examples. First, let's talk about why AI is so amazing. Imagine you're a student named Sarah. You have a 500-word essay due tomorrow, and you're stuck. You ask ChatGPT, and boom! In seconds, you have a perfect essay. Or picture Jake, a small business owner. He uses AI to create a logo, write ads, and even manage his social media. AI saves time, boosts productivity, and can do things faster than most humans. In fact, a 2024 study by McKinsey found that AI could automate up to 30% of current jobs by 2030. That's huge! But here's the catch. What happens when Sarah stops writing essays herself? Or when Jake relies on AI for every decision? Let's find out. Our brains are like muscles. The more we use them, the stronger they get. But if we stop thinking, brainstorming, or being creative, our brains can weaken. Let's look at a real example. In 2016, researchers studied how GPS apps like Google Maps affect our navigation skills. They found that people who always used GPS had a harder time finding their way without it. Their brains stopped building mental maps. Now, imagine this with AI. If we let AI write, think, or solve problems for us all the time, we might lose our ability to think critically or come up with original ideas. Here's another example. Meet Alex, a graphic designer. He starts using AI tools like Midjourney to create art. At first, it's awesome. AI makes stunning designs in minutes, but over time, Alex stops sketching or experimenting himself. A year later, he struggles to create anything without AI. His creativity has taken a hit. Studies show that creativity thrives when we practice it. A 2020 study in Psychology Today found that people who regularly brainstorm ideas are 40% better at solving complex problems than those who don't. If we outsource our creativity to AI, we risk becoming less innovative. Now, let's get to the shocking truth. Overusing AI could make us less human. Our ability to think deeply, imagine new ideas, and solve problems is what makes us unique. But if we rely on AI too much, we might become like robots ourselves, following AI suggestions without questioning them. In 2024, a survey by Pew Research found that 60% of students admitted to using AI to complete assignments. That's a lot of brains not getting their work out. Here's a scary fact. AI doesn't have emotions, intuition, or ethics like we do. Let's say you ask AI to write a story about friendship. It might give you a great story, but it's based on patterns from data, not real human experiences. If we stop creating from our hearts and minds, we might lose the ability to connect with others in a meaningful way. And that's not all. AI can make mistakes or give biased answers. In 2023, a lawyer got in trouble for using AI to write a legal brief that had fake case references. Yikes! So, does this mean AI is bad? Not at all. AI is like a superpower, but we need to use it wisely. Think of AI as a tool, not a replacement for your brain. For example, let's go back to Sarah, the student. Instead of asking AI to write her essay, she could use it to brainstorm ideas or check her grammar. This way, she's still thinking and creating, but AI is helping her shine. Or take Jake, the business owner. He could use AI to draft ads, but add his own unique style to make them stand out. Here's a cool fact. Some of the best innovations come when humans and AI work together. In 2024, a team of scientists used AI to analyze data and discover a new type of antibiotic. But it was human creativity that turned that discovery into a life-saving drug. AI can handle the heavy lifting, but our brains bring the spark. Now, let's imagine a world where AI fully replaces the human brain. Picture this. People stop thinking for themselves. AI writes books, makes decisions, and even chooses what we watch or eat. Sounds convenient, right? But it's a world where we lose our uniqueness. Without creativity, there's no new music, no groundbreaking inventions, no heartfelt stories. A 2025 report by the World Economic Forum warned that overdependence on AI could lead to a creativity crisis by 2040 if we don't act now. But it doesn't have to be this way. We can shape the future. Use AI to boost your ideas, not replace them. Take time to think, dream, and brainstorm. Try this. Spend 10 minutes a day writing, drawing, or solving a problem without AI. It's like a workout for your brain. And when you use AI, always ask yourself, is this my idea, or am I just copying what AI gave me? That's it for today's What If Labs. The shocking truth is that AI is an incredible tool, but it's up to us to keep our brains sharp and our creativity alive. What do you think? Will AI replace the human brain, or can we find the perfect balance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-blowing what-if scenarios. Until next time, keep thinking, keep creating, and stay curious.